Hello everyone, welcome back. Just a quick update, and just to say that I am still here and I am still cracking on, albeit very slowly, but yeah, we're making progress. Everything forward of the bulkhead is now done, pretty much. Yeah, so moving back, time to get on with the doors. But yeah, these doors have seen better days, to be honest, so I think I'll use my spares that are up there. And while I've been in here, I've been assessing any other rust that potentially might be there, and yeah, I found plenty of it, including the C-post and the sill, and a little bit on the B-post, but that's not too bad. I think I'll get away with that. So yeah, in upcoming videos, I'm going to be repairing these doors. They need very minor repairs compared to the ones that come off my Defender. I mean, they are pretty bad, but they're not that bad. Hello, dogs. So yeah, all in all, getting there just very slowly. Just doing it as and when I can, really. Yeah. Also, if you know how to get the captive nuts out of the B-post, please let me know, because I can't figure it out and it's driving me slightly insane, because I've had to drill the heads off to get the hinge off. Usual story. So yeah, if you can let me know, that'd be great, and I'll see you in the next one.